Guys, it's 3:44 on Sunday. Don't know the date. I think it's the 18th. Don't know. I just recorded this makeup look, but I'm just gonna do it for Instagram. It's gonna be one of those 1 minute, maybe 2 minute videos. But I'm very happily annoyed with how good it turned out. Because normally when I'm trying to really, it's like when I'm really trying, it doesn't come out as good as I like. Not all the time it's like that, but then when I'm just kind of like, whatever, it comes out looking really good. I actually got my lashes on like I got some damn sense. And these are some of my favorite lashes. They're the Ardell 172s, because you know I love a natural lash. And then as you can see, I've been incorporating purple ever since I got that Jackie Aina palette more. My lip, I had to mix 2 different colors because it was a little bit too red. But yeah, I think it came out really good. I should have done more of a nude lip, but whatever. I really like it. I'm happy with how it turned out. And like I said, I was just kind of like, my intention going into the video was, oh, I'm just going to do this real quick video for Instagram. And it was like, oh, this actually came out good. Go figure. But we've been chilling all day. As you've seen, I have not packed anything. It took everything in me to do this makeup look, priorities. And I'm going nowhere today, mind you. But it took everything in me to do this makeup look. But now I'm really going to dedicate the next hour or so, 2 hours, to packing. I was kind of looking around today like, I don't even know where to start. But I think I figured out where I'm going to start. And I was talking to you guys about these boxes yesterday. And I just want to be able to show y'all what I'm talking about. So I have concluded I'm going to start with the bookshelf. Because, I mean, this stuff being here isn't doing anything for anybody. And I have an abundant, so when I knew that I was going to be moving, I started saving boxes. I didn't want to have to do the whole Walmart, liquor store, whatever situation. So anytime I got, well, not anytime, but most of the time, if I got a package and the box was a significant size, I would save the boxes. So I have those boxes there that I've just been accumulating over time. And then I have these boxes in here. Can you see all these? So I have all these that need to be put together, and then I'll start putting things in there. But yes, I'm going to start today because this is ridiculous. So I'm going to start, like I said, with that bookshelf and then all the random stuff that's up and through here. So we're going to do something towards this move today, because I don't want to hear myself in a month like, oh my God, I should have. I'm not trying to shoulda, coulda, woulda, y'all. So that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. Okay, bye. didn't realize packing also lets you see how out of shape you are. A lot of squatting and bending and lifting, and I was dancing, so that was also part of the problem, and I just realized I'm out of shape. I was 20 minutes or so into the packing, and I was like, okay, I gave myself an hour and 15 minutes. And I was like, okay, it has to be an hour by now, and only 20 minutes had passed. And I was like, Houston, we have a problem. But I think I did pretty okay. I, for the most part, I've cleared these cabinets, which they weren't full like that anyway. But as you can see, I still have some like little miscellaneous crap, and then this area here is still a hot ass mess, but we'll deal with that at a later date, I guess. Probably tomorrow, because I'm not gonna be able to keep looking at that for long. Or maybe later today if I feel like it. This pile right here is my donations, so I'll be taking this stuff to Goodwill at some point. Again, probably sooner rather than later, because after a while I get fed up with just having to look at piles of shit. Okay, lighting. There we go. I got my bookcase packed up. I don't know if I'm gonna close that box. It all has fragile stuff in it, and I'll be handling it, so hopefully I'll be a little more careful with it. But all the stuff that was on the bookcase is packed up. This box here is packed up. Okay, I really kind of feel like I ain't do shit. Now that I'm showing this to you, I'm like, so what did you do? Aw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, that's it? Ma'am. We have a long way to go. Yeah. I was gonna do a favorites video, but I don't know. A part of me kind of says, since you got the face on, just do it. Just do it, because these lashes are on their last leg. They're starting to, ooh, yep. Like when you blink on the inner corner, they're starting to bother me a bit, so if I'm gonna do it, now's the time. I don't know how motivated, if at all, I'll be next weekend, so. Yeah, this will probably be it for today's vlog, because that's all that's going on is packing and chilling. So that's it. All right, I'll see y'all later, bye.